Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's not freezing cold out here, but it sure feels cold. This climb gear is made where you wear some layers under it, you know, for winter, and this is the Carlsbad. It's pretty cool because I don't have no layers under it other than my t-shirt, but I should have. But when I started out this morning, it was 60 degrees. I mean, it's crazy our weather we've had lately. We've had 72 on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day and the day after Christmas. And now it's Monday, so hope you all had a good Christmas. The New Year's is getting close. Uh-oh. Somebody up there. Anyway, it's not too bad today. I don't mind. I mean, my comfort level is above 40. I really like it. Anywhere, I like definitely above 50 in the 60s. Before I really want to ride, I can ride when it's colder, but it's just no fun. So I do ride back and forth to work every day. So I kind of just wondered how many of you guys, was my question, how many of you guys ride year round? Or what's the coldest weather you like riding in? Because, like I say, mine is hopefully above 40s. I have rode when it's way colder. I've rode when it's 10 degrees, but that's miserable. And I've noticed a lot of thing about riding is it's not necessarily how cold it is, it's how long you are in the cold. How long is the ride? A short ride ain't too bad. The further you got to go and the faster you go, the colder you get. So I don't know what's the best. Go fast and get colder for a short amount of time, or go slow and not get as cold, but it's for a longer amount of time. So this is here in the Ozarks, and I ride year round most of the time, except for, like I say, if it gets down, if it's below 40s, 45, below 45, I'd say, it's just no fun. So I drive my little pickup to work, but I didn't ride this weekend because Christmas and company, and we went jeeping. We had on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, we had the top and the doors off the Gladiator, went back road, and it was awesome. We even went out and looked at the Christmas lights on Christmas Eve night, topless in the Gladiator. I think people thought, you're crazy. But heck, it was 72 degrees. And for here in December, that's really good. So post on here where you're from and what is your minimum temperature that you'll go in, be the way to put it. What's the coldest weather that you'll ride in? I will ride in colder, but I don't like to. It's no fun at all. So I'm almost home, getting off work. Yeah, after the holiday you got to come back. I only got 4 days off at least from my workplace, but the 4 days goes by quick, and then you got to go back to work. Then I'll get another day off this Friday, which is New Year's Eve. So I'll be on a 3-day weekend this weekend, but that's not too bad. And then no days off for quite a while. So please comment below, guys. Don't forget, and before you do, when you go to comment, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully if it warms up a little bit, now we got lots of rain and junk coming, so, and cold, a lot colder. So hopefully I can make some videos pretty soon, riding videos. That's what I like to do. I do some reviews, but I like to do the riding videos. But click the thumbs up on this one, guys, subscribe, catch y'all on the next one. Ride on.